They say we should wake up early, meditate, exercise, read journal, drink 2 liters of water, eat a balanced diet, get 8 hours of sleep, avoid screens before bed. Oh, and of course, have a perfect skincare routine. Yeah, right. If you have a life, you know this is impossible every single day. You need a skincare routine that works in real life. No 10-step rituals, no waiting for serums to fully absorb. Just 5 minutes. That's all you need. Start with a simple cleanser, no fancy tools, no triple cleansing, just clean skin, fast. Your skin needs hydration, but you don't have time to layer 5 different products. A hydrating mist, done in 5 seconds. This is where you target your skin concerns. 1 serum, not 3. Pick 1, vitamin C, niacinamide, or whatever your skin loves. Lock it in. Hydration stays, dryness goes. Simple. SPF every single day, no excuses. The sun doesn't care if you're busy. And just like that, you're done. 5 minutes and your skin is happy. Now go conquer your day.